Function show. The cutting head can float up and down according to the Tarians. Adjustable limit function for the cutting head. The starting of the electric control part. Pressing long time to start the remote controller. First to check the emergency stop button situation. Screw the electric power switch to start. How to start the engine. First, to make sure the clutch handle is locked up to separate the cutting head from the engine, very important. Close the damper under the cooled engine situation. Open the damper under the heated engine situation. Open the oil switch. Open the accelerator at the suitable position. Screw the key to start the engine. Also can pull the cord of the engine to start. The function performance of the remote controller. Upwards, push the rocker on the left side. Backwards, pull the rocker on the left side. Turning right, turn the right rocker to the right. Turning left, turn the right rocker to the left. 360 turning around, turning to any position of the right rocker. Turning the left hopper switch to adjust the high-slow speed. Turning the right upper switch to start the cruise control function. Re-click the cruise switch to stop the cruise.